Hello, this is a video of my new Simplicity professional series 1524 Snowblower that I just picked up today. After doing quite a bit of research and looking at some of the other popular models that are out there from both Aaron's, Simplicity, and Honda, I came to the conclusion that this is probably the best made series of snowblowers that are currently available in the United States. Some of the features on the machine that I found are simply not available on any other machine, and I'll go through a couple of those features now. Really the biggest feature that I found that's not available on any machine, including Honda, are the ball bearings that the auger is attached to in the housing. This machine actually, you can see the ball bearings there. No other machine uses that, and it should increase the life of the machine. Most of the other machines in that area simply use bushings, which is not as reliable method. Another feature is the cast iron gear case, and you can fully lubricate that piece as well, which should also last quite some time. Another unique feature that Simplicity puts on their machines in the professional series is this electric chute control, and it's essentially comprised of a small windshield wiper motor that you can see mounted there, and you control it back on the handlebars with this switch. When the top goes left and the bottom goes right, and it appears to work very smoothly. We'll see with the with all the wiring that's involved with that, and the wet conditions that you get when you're snow blowing. We'll see how long that lasts, but my understanding from the dealers is that they really haven't seen any of those come back with issues. It's got the amber colored light here to illuminate your path on dark nights, which is also a nice feature. Another feature that is unique to Simplicity is this machine has the heated hand grips, which a lot of other machines do have. However, Simplicity has incorporated a switch that you can see here, and you can just click it to high, off, or low setting, which is nice because a lot of the other units, or really any other unit that has the heated hand grips, they are essentially just on all the time when the machine is running. The machine also has this control, lever control here on the side that you can see, that you click up and down, and that disengages one of the drive wheels to make the machine easier to turn at the end of your cutting path, or when you're in the garage on dry pavement or concrete. Just makes it easier to maneuver the machine. Another unique feature to the Simplicity is the heavy-duty handle assembly that you see here, made up of a channeled piece of steel, basically. All other machines accomplish this by using metal tubing, which has been used for years and isn't an issue. But with this machine, it gives it an unparalleled stiffness, I guess. Like the machine just doesn't flex in any way. It feels completely solid, which is nice. The machine has a 14.5 foot-pound torque Briggs & Stratton motor on it, and I was a little bit leery of that, and I think, you know, the jury may still be out on whether this motor will go for the long haul. You know, obviously the best motors out there are the Hondas, and also Subaru. The Robin motors have been highly praised as well. But again, with Tecumseh recently going out of business, the majority of the snowblower motors, you know, around are the Briggs & Stratton, and all of the dealers have essentially said, you know, that this motor has been extremely reliable in the short and mid-term so far. You know, it's a very smooth running motor compared to the some of the L-head designs that Tecumseh was using. So I hope it lasts quite a long time. It's got the electric start feature here that you plug in, and it'll crank the motor over for you. And here you've got the gear selector lever, and also I'll show you from the other side here. There is a chute deflector lever here that you know, you push up and down, and it adjusts the angle of the chute. That's really about it. You know, again, just the overall package, I feel, with this machine, with just the build quality and all the components used, in my opinion, make it you know, the best snowblower that you can buy out there. The Hondas are very close, but to me, just after you know, taking one around and kind of just looking into it, I just felt that the unit was built around the Honda motor, and some of the features on the Honda machines seemed like they're an afterthought. And also, the big thing for me was just simply the easy turn feature, where you can unlock the axle and turn this very easily, versus the track drive Honda units that are, you know, extremely difficult to turn, especially on dry pavement if you're trying to maneuver it, you know, around your garage on dry pavement and so on. So that's really about it. The only other thing, it's also got the large 16-inch by 4.8-inch X-Track tires, which for a machine of this size, you know, with the 24-inch cutting swath, that is a very large tire, and hopefully, you know, should be able to provide excellent traction in slippery conditions. That's about it. As you can see, right now in Michigan, it is raining, and it's mid-November, so hopefully, you know, we get some snow soon, and I can make another video to show you guys how well the machine works in the snow. Thank you.